Vertex AI Agent Builder tutorial. Oops. So, creating AI agents using AI. First of all, we have to enter your Google Cloud and then just go ahead into your Vertex AI, which we are pretty much already here. But we're going to go ahead in our studio since we want to build a new agent and not a different specific app. So go ahead to whichever agent you want and create another one. If you'd like to continue with a agent that you've already created, then sure, go ahead. But we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. So you could create a new app or create an agent. If you'd like to do the app, it's over here. You could just type in the prompt in whatever kind of app you want, and it's going to be specific to be like an AI. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead with the agent builder. So first of all, make sure your billing is enabled since you want that to be given permission to create resources. And then you're going to have to find whatever data source you want. So this will add the content your AI agents will use, just like website pages, G drives, Gmails, and whatever. Since Google AI Agent search documentation lists multiple data sources as well, you can just find it there. But if you want to get codes also, you can refer to Python 80K. You can just click on here, actually go ahead and press on get code, and you can get it from here. Once you create a new agent, you will begin with one node. You can add some sub agents if you like, but the main one is of course right here. Change its name, the description, and then the instructions. So tell the agent everything it needs to know in as much detail as you can provide, since over here it says 500,000 words, so you probably won't run out of space, but that can happen. So it can be simple instructions. Over here we've placed in the instructions we want for our main agent. As you can see, this agent is a helpful agent and whatever, and then pretty much just put in whatever you want. You could choose the model as well. We have 4 as of now, and then the tool. So enable agent to complete tasks, and if you'd like, you can give it more tools. As of now, there's only URL context and Google search, which mainly should be enough, but again, you can add more. Now, if we weren't in express mode, we would be able to add more content, but that's pretty much the general idea on how you can do this. It should be pretty much done all here, and you will get instructions for specific steps if you'd like. And once you're pretty much, let's say, satisfied with whatever kind of agent you've built, you can go ahead and try the review and just deploy the agent. So that's pretty much the general idea on how this will work. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.